solvent extraction. So techniques for only సాల్వెంట్ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్షన్ అనమాట ఈరోజు క్లాసు. సో దీంట్లో 3 రకాల టెక్నిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 3 రకాల టెక్నిక్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఎస్టర్డే వీ హ్యావ్ డిస్కస్డ్ అబౌట్ సో బ్యాచ్ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్షన్. దట్ మీన్స్ యూ కెన్ యూసేజ్ ఆఫ్ separating funnel. Separating funnel is the you can use it for only batch extraction. So in batch extraction, it is the most common usually method. So this method can be used in those cases. So whereas a large distribution for the desired separation is available solvents, because of only in this one. In this one, so this type of extraction, the solute is extracted from only one layer by distributing with the second immiscible layer until the partition equilibrium will be attained. Because of only, so two layers can be separated by only usage of separating funnel. So that is the batch extraction method. Because of only what in this one, so in this one, so two solute will be dissolved in only liquid. So that liquid will be homogeneous or heterogeneous, but it is a immiscible layers can be formed. Immiscible layers. So that immiscible layers can be, so the solution can be taken by only in separating funnel. So after the shaking of the solution, so you can still, it will be standing for only 30 to 40 minutes. So two layers can be formed. So one layer can be extracted from only another layer. So it is a partition equilibrium. It can be attained by only distribution of distributing the one layer to the another layer. That is the immiscible layer. So that is the batch extraction. So the two layers may be shaken in separatory funnel. So yesterday you have to see, so two separating funnels. So before solution, after the solution. So that is the separating funnel. So the usage of separating funnel, the funnel can be used for only the immiscible liquids will be mixed together. So that will be taken to only separating funnel. It will be shaken to thoroughly shaken. So it will be standing for only 30 to 40 minutes. So two layers will be formed. So one layer is distinguished between only second layer. So that means so the bottom of the one layer on top of the another layer. So first you can draw the one layer aqueous layer. So then organic layer will be present in the top of the aqueous layer. So that is the usage of separating funnel. So the layers are allowed to settle down on the layers that will be desired only. Constitutions can be removed. So that is the only batch extraction method. So it is the one type of techniques we can usage of only what the extraction of solvents. So then another technique you can usage for only continuous extraction. So what is continuous extraction? So this continuous extraction means, so in this one, so continuous extraction, so it is used in the case of only distribution ratio will be very low. So distribution ratio very low means what? So the two solutions, so the mixed solution solvents will be only, so this ratio will be very low. At that time also you can separate it from one solvents to the another solvent easily by the usage of method will be called as only continuous extraction. It will be continuously, it will be separated by only one to another. So the extraction is carried out by usage of continuous flow of immiscible solvents. So there is a taken of solvents will be called as only what? Immiscible solvent. Through the solution we can extract it from one solution to the another one. So the solvents will be immiscible. So in case of miscible solvents, so you cannot separate it by one solvent to the another solvent. So but immiscible solvents can be separated by only one to another easily. So that is, so in the case of, in case of so in case of extracted solvent is a volatile. So in case of the, you can separated solvent will be present in the state of by only volatile. At that time, it is recycled by only what? Distillation and then condensation, and it will be dispersed in the aqueous solution with the help of the sintered glass disc or some of the suitable devices. So that is the also, it will be continuous process because of only, so you can add it by only solvents of the different to low ratio solvents, you can separate it by one by one, one by one, one by one. So in the same way. So it is the continuous process. So because of only in case of the extractor, if the selecting solvent will be present in the volatile. So what is volatile? It is evaporated solvent is called as only volatile solvent. So the volatile solvent, it is a recycled. So recycled by only what? Distillation and condensation and dispersion medium in the aqueous solution. So with the help of only sintered glass can be used for only this type of extraction is easily. So this technique will be called as only what? Continuous extraction technique. So then you go for only counter current extraction. So the diagram cannot be displayed. Afterwards you can display the counter current. So this technique will be also used for only counter current technique. This technique is involved only, so contact between the two phases. So large number of discrete steps will be there. This technique was described by only LC Reich diagram. So this diagram will be only having only 5 stages will be there. So the type of diagrams will be called as only Kai's diagrams. So the technique of counter current extraction. So the first step of the called as only transfer. So the number of phases only 0, n equal to 0. So it is will be present on the top of the position. So this process will be carried out by only extracting the solution. So extracting the solution of the sample under the examination with only by immiscible solvents. So in this technique will be also by usage of only immiscible techniques. So the vessel, it will be containing the initial extraction is allowed to occur is called as by only tube 0. So R equal to 0, it will be, you can see the diagram. So then, so the additional vessels label tubes, number of tubes will be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that way like this. So number of vessels it containing the equal amount of only dense solvent will be taken. So each tube is having only some of the solvent. So in that way like this only 1, 2, 3, 4 in that way different types of tubes will be having only different solvents. So a known value of less dense, that means organic solvent. So that solvent will be completely filled with only tube. So that initial value will be tube will be 0 will be there. So there is a provision for introducing the additional and identical value including only organic extraction solvent. So it will be the another technique. So this technique can be used for only what? In separation of solvents by only solvent extraction. So but in important thing we can see only counter current extraction and batch extraction and continuous extraction. So that is the very important one.